Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. This evening, I just want to drop in here real quick, have a couple of things, a few lighters, give you a preview of, and I'm going to include in this video sort of a condition video for a listing I'm about to put up this evening for this vintage or possibly even antique hotel skeleton key and fob from the Hotel Jefferson in St. Louis, Missouri, room 1014 is marked on the fob and on the key. The key, I'm not sure if that's rust or some other kind of tarnish, but it's definitely got some kind of corrosion. And the fob, I'm not sure what metal that is either. Maybe some kind of plated brass. It doesn't really appear to have, well, I don't know, maybe there is some rust colored stuff here. Or plating loss. I don't know, this just looks like tarnish to me. Maybe pewter or lead. I don't know. The chain definitely has some rust on it. This hotel opened in 1904. Had an addition in I think it was 1927 or 1928. And then was a hotel until the mid-70s when it became an apartment building for a short time, and I guess has fallen into disrepair since. So it does show dings, scuffs, corrosion, tarnish, stains. Those general sort of wear descriptions. Also, just because they came in today and I'm doing a video, so I might as well just show you. I bought these two in a couple of park lighters in a auction together. Both of them in very good condition. This one looks like it's been lightly used. It's got a good high polished case that is missing some paint, it looks like, but the insert there is in fine condition. And certainly, I can't remember, I think I paid about $15 for the two of these together. Maybe not that much, but this is the one I really wanted. It looks brand new and it matches the green of the Penguin Cygnus that I just acquired a while back. So I don't know, kind of toying with the idea of starting a green collection of green lighters. And then some 3 aluminum block lighters, another Aerolite. Pretty cool. I've had a few of those, or one of those before. No, I've had a couple of those before. Aerolite. So we'll be taking a look at these and having videos for these here soon. And then a couple of identical Sharpos, one that is in, looks like pretty new condition, and the other one a little more used. So very excited about those two. I really like the Sharpo lighter. So anyway, just wanted to drop in And as I said, give a condition report so I could list the Hotel Jefferson fob and skeleton key, and then give you a look at these lighters while we're at it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all those normal things that we talk about. And go over and check out the dependableflame.com eBay store. Every purchase benefits HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, and there are 3 auctions each month. Penny start auctions where 100% of those listings will benefit HDSA. Didn't take a look inside that one. That's an all aluminum lighter too, the insert and the case. Very cool, deep green. I like that a lot. Until next time.